Hello kids! Today we are going to do a sand activity. Have you seen sand before? Yes, of course. When you go to the beach, you play with sand, you enjoy a lot and you become sandy. Also, when you go to a park, you find sand in your play area. Children enjoy touching, feeling and exploring the wonderful texture of the sand. Sand is grainy and rough to touch and is fun to play with. Let's begin with the activity. You can take any tray available in your house. Take some sand and pour it on the tray slowly. You can see the sand here. This is called the sand. Children, you can touch and feel the sand. It is grainy. It is rough. You can feel it with your hands. You can make anything using the sand. You can make a small hump or a big hill. You can feel it as it is slipping from your hands. Do you want to see the shape of your fingers on sand? Open the fingers of both your hands and press it on the sand. Yes, very good. Yes, now look there. The shape of your hands. If you don't have sand, then you can also use salt for this activity. Pour some salt on the tray. You can feel the texture of the salt. It is same as the sand. You can play with the salt like sand. You can feel it grainy. You can take the print of your hands on the salt. Yes, very good. Using your fingers, you can scribble on the salt. Yes, you can scribble. You can draw anything using your fingers. Wow, chakli, round chaklis. What is this? Smiley face. Keep smiling. Now what we can draw? Heart. It's a heart. Heart shape. Now it's a circle. What are we drawing? We are drawing lines around the circle. It is a sun. It is a sun. Flower. It is a flower. Like this, we can do many things. What is this? This is a standing line. Now we'll trace the standing line on the salt tray. Very good. Standing line. It's a standing line. Sleeping line. Now we will trace sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Very good. Slanting line. What is this? Slanting line. Now trace slanting line. Very good. Another slanting line. Slanting line. Another slanting line. Very good. Zigzag. Yes, wow, like a mountain. Very good. Curve. This is a curve. This is another curve. Another curve. Circle. Now circle. If you have sand at home, you can practice all these patterns on sand. It is very good for your fingers. You can practice this on sand. It is a sand activity, and if you don't have sand, then you can use the salt. You can do it on salt as well. You will enjoy this activity. You should practice this at home. Please note the benefits of sand activity. Sand activity is very good for small children, especially for their fine muscles. When their fingers are well developed, children will be able to control a pencil. It improves their finger grip and helps them to do their activities such as writing and drawing. Children also develop a sense of touch. They learn to manipulate objects and mold them in different ways. They develop imagination and they become creative. They learn to trace patterns and their eye-hand coordination improves. Every creation gives the child a feeling of success and accomplishment. This inbuilds confidence in them. Children, you can enjoy the activity along with this rhyme. You can sing it along when you're doing the activity.
Sand at the beach and sand at the shore. Sand in the ocean, on the ocean floor. Sand in the desert, sand on the ground. Sand in the sandstorm, blow